Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you guys on a step-by-step tutorial on how to log into your Alto Crypto account. In order to log into your Alto Crypto account, first you'll need to open any browser of your choice. After you open your browser, you'll need to type in altoira.com on the top of your screen on the search bar. This is the official homepage of Alto Crypto. In order to log in, you'll have to tap in the login option on the very top of your screen right beside Get Started. Tap in the login option. After that, a login page will appear where you'll have to type in your email address, password. Make sure you remember your email and password that you first created your Alto account with. Now, type in your email address. After you write your email address, go to the second box and type in your password correctly. After you are done with both email and password, you'll have to tap in the login option on the very bottom of your screen. And just like that, you are successfully logged in into your Alto Crypto account. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to log into your Alto Crypto account. Don't forget to leave us a like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.